How to use focus mode on iPhone. Feeling overwhelmed by constant notifications on your iPhone? Today's video on Virus Focus Mode, your secret weapon to achieving Zen and boosting productivity. Focus mode lets you create custom profiles that silence notifications for specific apps and people, allowing you to concentrate on the task at hand, whether it's work time, family time, or just some me time. Focus mode can create a notification-free haven. So first of all, go to the control center, swipe down from the top right corner, or swipe up from the bottom with iPhones with the home button. Tap on the focus icon. It looks like a concentric circles. You'll see available focus modes you can choose from. In the settings app also you can tap focus, and here you can create new focus modes, edit existing ones, and schedule activation. Let's delve into the magic of focus mode. So there are built-in focus modes like sleep, work, personal, and don't disturb, and you can create a custom focus by tapping on the plus icon in the focus settings to create a new focus mode. Name it according to your need, for example, study time, and you can customize notifications for that specific custom. Focus mode is your key to a calmer and more productive iPhone experience, so experiment with different focus modes and settings to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.